This episode of How to TDP, we're going to look at hurricane mode from New Orleans to Birmingham as a storm is heading through. So right now we're starting out in New Orleans. If I hit the current location button twice, it'll zoom out and we can see where we are in New Orleans. I'm going to go to the where to button, or I could hit directions, and then I'm going to type in Birmingham. And when it loads, I'm going to click Birmingham. Check my truck settings real quick, make sure that the height, weight, width, if there's hazmat stuff, that's all correct. Then I'm going to go to the map scene here and see the route up to Birmingham, my choices. I'm also going to turn off all these different things that I don't want to see that aren't going to help me actually get to Birmingham right now. And I'm going to switch it to hurricane mode in the weather. And I'm also going to switch the map to Earth. So now when I hit close, we've got this lined up. I can zoom in and see where I'd be at different points along the route, where the weather might change on me. You can see there's a snowstorm there as you get closer to Laurel. If I hit the weather button here on the right in the tray, it pops up a list view of those forecasts with the severe alert warnings and all the information that's being put out by the National Weather Forecast Service. Once I have the route and I evaluate which one I actually want to take, I will select the route, and then I hit go to turn on the truck safe navigation to guide me there. Anybody using this app today, good luck with the storms down there. Drive safe.